What's up, online shoppers? It's time to start thinking about warm weather and tropical destinations and sun and sand and beach. And this is an awesome little must-have for your beach bag. These are towel bands. Now I have a brand new package here that I'm gonna open up with you so you can see just how cool they are. You get 6 in a package. These are for keeping your towel on your beach chair. You know, the wind comes along and blows your stuff around. This helps you to keep everything all in place without blowing away. And you also get this super cute little tote bag to keep them all organized. Toss them in your beach bag so you always have them. These are an essential for the beach, for the pool, or for your cruise. So how do you use them? Well, this is how you use them. These are stretchy elastic. So you can use them on top of your beach chair to hold your towel in place. You know how you lay your towel over top? Well, you can just stretch this over top of your beach chair so that it holds your towel exactly where you want it. As a matter of fact, if you take a look at this little diagram right there, you can see right here, you've got a beach chair and then you've got your towel band holding the towel in place. Now you get 6 fun colors in this package, and the middle 3 here, they are glow in the dark. So that means even if you forget them out on your beach chair, you'll be able to see them at nighttime. Now they're towel bands, but the nickname for them is the towel crabber because they grab onto your towel with silicone grip and keep it in place even in windy conditions. They're gonna stretch to up to 25 inches wide, so they will fit just about any beach chair that you need them to fit. As well, it's also kind of nice to help keep your beach chair separate from everybody else's. So if you know you have the orange band on the blue beach chair, that means somebody else has the green band on the blue beach chair. It's a great way to keep everything all straight. The materials of this are sun-resistant silicone, so you know that when you're using them, they're not going to crumble apart after 1 season's worth of use. They are something that lasts. This is a new package, but I actually have a package that's over a year old, and I compared them for color and stretch, and they are virtually identical to what I have from last year. These have definitely become an essential for me on all my trips and when we're at camp. I love that they keep my towel in place. They stretch over just about any chair I want them to be on, and they've got all these fun colors. The added bonus of having a couple that glow in the dark is also awesome. If you are looking for a great idea for a gift or for something to take along on a cruise or to have at camp or to have by the pool, these towel crabbers are awesome and definitely a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.